What a fridge. What a fridge. All right, I'm gonna have to come up with a green update flavor and have some green updates in here. I think I have some ideas.
Kim Kardashian gets to show us her fancy, luxurious, customized fridge, and it is super clean eating, like veggies. We get to see lemon, grapes, pear, some drinks, like oh my goodness, apples, avocado. So it is super green, mangoes. We get to see some eggs. So what would your fridge look like? Would you eat what is inside Kim Kardashian's fridge? So love you guys. Just stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and also do leave a comment below about your fridge.